Hey guys, I am at the airport. I am at right now. After that, this is my grandma. This is my grandma and my mom. Two, or my sister or my dad. I am at I am at right now. Let's see. After that, that's my sister too. My sister is my here. Right here. Okay, I am going to airport right now. After this, let's go let's go to the to sleep. Tomorrow morning, I wake up about 4 in the morning. I wake up about 6:30 in the morning. Good luck. I see you tomorrow. I will making a new video for tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to Disney for no, Orlando. Orlando, Disney. I am going to Star Wars or Mickey Mouse or Castle and Princess. Okay. Good luck. I'll see you tomorrow.